In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pitch in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to make a voice sound deeper or higher directly inside Premiere without needing any extra plugins. This is great if you want to correct the pitch of dialogue, add a fun chipmunk-style effect, or just subtly adjust how someone sounds in your video. Start by opening your project in Premiere Pro so you can see your timeline and audio clips. At the very top of the screen, look for the main menu bar. Find the menu labeled Window and click on it. A long drop-down list will appear. From that list, choose Effects. When you select it, an effects panel will appear, usually in the lower left area of your workspace. If you don't see it right away, check your different panels until you find one labeled Effects. Inside this effects panel, you'll find a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Pitch Shifter. Premiere will filter the list of effects and you should see an audio effect called Pitch Shifter. Now, click and drag the Pitch Shifter effect onto the audio clip in your timeline that you want to change. Make sure you drop it directly on the audio portion of the clip, not the video. Next, we need to adjust the settings for that effect. Go back up to the top menu bar and click Window again. This time, from the drop-down, select Effect Controls. This will open or highlight the Effect Controls panel, which is usually in the upper left area of Premiere. Now, click once on the audio clip in your timeline where you added the Pitch Shifter, so it's selected. Look back at the Effect Controls panel. You should now see Pitch Shifter listed among the effects applied to that clip. Under Pitch Shifter, find the section that says Custom Setup and click the Edit button next to it. A pop-up window will open with more detailed controls. In this pop-up, look for the semitones control. This is where you actually change the pitch. If you drag the semitone slider to the left, you lower the pitch, which makes the voice sound deeper. If you drag it to the right, you raise the pitch, giving you a higher, more chipmunk-like effect. Make small adjustments and play back your audio to see what sounds best for your project. Once you're happy with how it sounds, you're done. That's all you need to change pitch in Adobe Premiere Pro.